Our ethos at WHA Associates is it's all about the client and how we can help them and assist them to achieve what they want to with their business. We are a one-stop shop for all travel advisory and accountancy needs. We are proactive and we offer a high level of expertise whether you're a small or a large business. I have the privilege of heading up our research and development tax team at WHA Associates. People think to access research and development tax incentives you have to be reinventing the wheel. This isn't the case. It can be technical innovation that's being created as part of your business. We have a 100% success rate in accessing these vital funds for our client companies, and we're very proud of that. The great thing about that type of work is I get to see the effects it has on the company once they've received the monies for those incentives. This may enable them to expand their workforce, reward their workforce better financially, or create further innovation within their companies.